Okay, 4 add 7 equals 11. Well, 40 add 70. Well, if we add 4 and 7, that's 11, and we just simply add a 0. So if we've got 400 add 700, what we simply do is we add 4 add 7 up to give us 11 and add 2 zeros. So, in 40 add 70, we're just adding zeros. In 400 add 700, we're just adding the zeros to 11s to make 1100. Let's look at the next question. If we've got 5 add 6 is 11, so 50 add 60, well 5 add 6 is 11 and add 0. 500 add 600, well 5 add 6 equals 11 and add 2 zeros. So the pattern is we're adding 0 in the second line, and in the third line we're just adding 2 zeros. When we're adding 7 add 8, double 7 add 1 is 15. 70 add 80 is 15 add a 0. 700 add 800, well 15 and add 2 zeros. So that's question 1, 2 and 3 done. 16 add 2, well that's 18. 160 plus 20, well we've got the tens that we're adding up this time, so it's 180. 1600 add 200, we're adding the 6 and 2 again to give us 8, so that's 1800. 6 add 12, well that's 18. If we've got 8 add 17, then 80 add 170 equals, well 17 add 8 is 25, 170 add 80 is 250, 800 add 1700, well that's 17 add 8 is 25, add 2 zeros. 15 add 9 is 24, so 150 add 90 will be 24, add a 0. 1500 add 900 will be 24 and add 2 zeros. If we've got 3 add 12, then that's 15. 30 add 120, well that's 15, 3 add 12 and add a 0. 300 add 1200, well 3 add 12 is 15, add 2 zeros. Just remember that we're just adding zeros, so if we've got 300 add 1200, we're just adding zeros. We do the 3 and 12 and just add 2 zeros. That's the key point, the zeros. Okay, let's move on. If we've got 15 add 8, then that's 24. 150 add 80 would be 240, and 1500 plus 800 will be 2400. So 15 add 8 is 24 and add 2 zeros.